Good morning, guys. So I hope you're doing great, and I'm doing great too. Anyway, I would like to greet a belated Valentine's Day, and um, well, I'm really just starting work. I would like to greet to any FGF family members here, and I would like to encourage you that will be participate to um educate to peoples about advocacy and objectives of FGF. So right now, I will try to my best to educate and also draw online, and also I would like to educate to our locals. Um, if you are willing to join, or asking how, and you just direct me to um, PM, message me directly, or you can visit our uh, page, that the social media FGF, FGF Guerrilla Forces, or you can visit to other sub page, Filipino Guerrilla Forces News, sharing ideas, and that will be assist you and how to join and how to answer your any concern or questions to about to know an FGF. FGF is Filipino Guerrilla Forces, that is kind reserves, and that's preparedness to our in case emergency and in case emergency war. So that's protect to our family, for God and constitutions and anti-corruption. So just PM me if you would like to join.